Welcome to the fourth module. This is the section that is strictly for you folks with minor children. When you have minor children, they need special consideration in your divorce. My motto is that children are not a prize to be won, and children are not backpacks. You need to think about the feelings of these little people and how your divorce is going to affect them. All children need the love of each parent. They need quality and quantity time with each parent. They need a sense of safety. They need a sense of autonomy as they grow older. And they need to know that their thoughts and feelings matter to the two of you. So the basic principle in the law is that the courts are going to be acting in the best interests of your children. And that's what I want you to take a minute and think about as we're going through this fourth module. The courts don't care necessarily about your feelings and whether you can live without Johnny or Molly for a week at a time, but it is about whether Johnny or Molly can handle the amount of parenting time that you're proposing. They do care that your children not only survive your divorce, but that they thrive following your divorce. And I'll also tell you that there's an awful lot of us folks in the profession, both judges and court administrators and attorneys and all of the folks, the parenting consultants and the expediters, all of us care about your children thriving in the future. And the one thing we know is that the more bitter and angry the two of you are, the more it's going to harm your children, even going into their adulthood. And so I want you to think about those factors as we go through this module. Today, we're going to be breaking this down into 3 sections. There's the section on custody, and then we're going to do a section on parenting time and parenting schedules. And the third section is going to be on child support. And I know we're going to be doing a little longer sections for each of these, but I hope that you will bear with it because it is really good information. And over the 15 years that I used to do the Parenting Through Divorce class, and I taught hundreds and hundreds of folks going through divorce, I know that I'm answering the most important questions that you asked me over the years. So let's get going.